Please do subscribe to our Nehra Classes YouTube channel and also turn on the bell notifications to receive the updates of our videos directly in your device. Hello friends, I Vikas Nehra welcome you all to our Nehra Classes YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to convert RPM packages into deb and deb packages into RPM in Linux. Actually, we have two major categories of Linux flavors. First one, which is based on Fedora Linux, there we use .rpm packages, and another one that is actually based on Debian, there we use .deb packages. And in my previous video of package management, I have already told you that we can easily convert or easily interchange these packages formats by just using the alien command. So in today's tutorial, I will show you how can we perform this activity. How can we easily convert .rpm packages into .deb and a .deb package into .rpm so that we can use them on their flavors. Like if I want to use the RPM package on the Fedora Linux, and if I have .db package there, so I can easily convert it. So without wasting time, let's get started. For this tutorial, we have two different machines. The first machine is actually running on Ubuntu 20.04, which is based on Debian, where we use .deb packages. And the second machine that is running on CentOS 8, which is actually based on Fedora, and there we use .rpm packages. So first we will go to our first machine that is actually running on Ubuntu 20, and here I will first install the alien utility or the alien packages that we use to convert .rpm package into .deb and vice versa. So here we will execute sudo apt install alien. So this command will install the required packages to use this utility in our machine. So all the required packages will be installed, and for this purpose we should have an active internet connection in our machine, and this process can take some time. Generally it takes 20 to 30 seconds. So all the required packages now have been installed in this machine. Now we need an RPM package that we can convert into .deb, and after that I will show you how can we install that package. To work on the RPM package, we at least require one RPM package which we can use here on Ubuntu 20.04 machine, and we can easily get the RPM packages from RHEL8 ISO image, which I have already connected here on this machine that is actually running on Ubuntu 20.04. Now let me mount this image on /mnt directory. So for that I'm going to execute sudo mount /dev sr0 /mnt command. This will mount the ISO image on /mnt. Now let me go to the /mnt directory and long list the contents. There you will see all the directories and files that are actually available there on RHEL8 ISO image. I know that the packages are there on /appstream directory. So let me go to the go to the appstream directory, and then I can go to the packages directory there, and there I can list the packages. Packages are there in this directory. Now let me copy this yp bind RPM package to my home directory. The package has been copied. Now let me go back to the home directory and list the files there. Here you can see this RPM package. Now this is the RPM package which I cannot install on the machine that is actually running on Ubuntu or on Debian. Let me try to install this RPM package. I can execute sudo dpkg-i command, and after that I can specify the package name, and press enter. So it will throw an error. It will say dpkg-deb error because it is not the Debian package. It is the RPM package and we cannot install the RPM packages on the Debian Linux or the machine that is actually based on Debian. Here we are only supposed to use .deb packages. So here we can convert these RPM packages into .deb. For that we can execute the alien command. But before running this command, let me show you the manual of this command by running man command. Here you can go through this manual of alien command. Alien, convert or install an alien binary package. And alien is a program that converts between Red Hat RPM, Debian DB, Stampede, SLP and many others. And actually there are different options available that we can use, like -d to convert into Debian or -r, or we can also mention there -2/deb or -2/rpm to make RPM packages and so on. We can also use -k option to keep the current version and so on. And there are some examples as well, so you can go through this help manual if you want to know more. Now let me show you how can we easily use this command. We have an RPM package here that we want to actually convert in .deb. So here we will execute alien -k to keep the version, -d to convert this RPM package into Debian and the package name. Press enter. So it is saying that you must run this command as root. So either we can run this command from the root user or we can specify sudo before running this command in the beginning. And it has generated the .deb package corresponding to this RPM package. Means this utility has converted the RPM package into Debian. If you will long list the contents, you will find .deb package with the same name. Now we can install this deb package in our machine. So here we can execute sudo dpkg-i and the package name. And now you can see that this package has been successfully installed in our machine. So in this way we can convert the RPM package into Debian. Now I will show you how can we convert the deb package into RPM. So for that we will again execute the same command, but there we will mention -r. But before that, let me remove this original RPM package from this directory. Now if you will list the contents, you will not find this RPM package here in my home directory. Now in the next step I will convert this Debian package back to RPM. Here I will mention alien -k to keep the same version, -r to convert it back into RPM, and the package name. Again we will have to use sudo like this, press enter, and it will generate the RPM package. Again execute ls-l and you will see the RPM package there. Now we will copy this package to CentOS 8. So for that we will execute scp command, scp-r, the package name and the server IP address where we want to copy it, root 192.168.1.110, and I want to copy it on TMP directory there. Press enter. Yes. And provide the root password. Yes, the package has been copied. Now go to this machine that is actually running on CentOS 8 where we have copied this package. Let's go to the TMP directory and list this package. this is the package that we have just copied here from Ubuntu 20.04 machine. Now let me check if I can install this package or not. So here I can execute rpm-uvh command and the package name, that is ypbind.rpm. Press enter. So it will verify and install this package. Actually the latest version of ypbind is already installed in my machine. That is why we are getting these warnings here. Otherwise the package is fine. In the same way, we can easily convert any other Debian package into RPM and we can install it. So guys, that's it for the today's session, where I have shown you the method how can you convert .rpm packages into .deb or .deb packages into .rpm, and you can easily install them on the different flavors. Hope you will find this video useful. If you like it, then do share it with others, and if you are new on our channel, then please subscribe us and turn on the bell notification. I'll see you in the next session. Till then, bye bye. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.